Hi, I am Sandeep Vangala. I am the founder and CEO of Excelli. Excelli is a revolutionary super app with social chat, shopping, and crypto-related features. And people can also mint NFTs. They can sell for free using our revolutionary platform. And on top of this, there are many more features like people can book cabs, they can order food delivery, they can also do group buying e-commerce all in one single app. So, the basic premise of Excelli is why India doesn't have a true super app. India, traditionally being led by many Web2 startups, each having its own set of strengths and exploiting that to the fullest with the cumulative network effects from the beginning. And in that journey, we have come up with an idea why all of these can be combined into one single app, thereby user doesn't have to hop between these different apps, and also user will be rewarded for the engagement and the time that they're spending in the platform, so in which the blockchain can create a phenomenal connect between the users in one single app. Excelli has many features like social chat, shopping, groceries, cabs, food delivery, NFTs marketplace, uh, pharmacy, travel tickets booking, flight tickets booking, hotel rooms booking, and they can also do fintech services like getting loans, credit cards, and also they can see the latest news. So all in one single app. So the biggest problem the blockchain ecosystem is seeing is the seamless liquidity and also the seamless transactions between the users, and the government regulations all being taken care by the ecosystem itself. So there is no single app that is solving this problem. So this is a industry-wide problem, and especially India, where the crypto regulation is not yet in place. So the Indian startups are looking for to incorporate elsewhere outside India to start with, and then they are looking for the Indian regulation to come in soon, so that clarity can bring more startups into this space. So it's better to start with a proof of concept and create a community around that and validate the market. So if that is successful, they can continue with that. Otherwise, they can pivot into something that works. Excel is a revolutionary crypto super app with crypto at its core foundation. So users, for the time that they spend within the platform, they'll be earning free Excelli coins, and also they will be able to mint NFTs for free. They can sell for free, and they can also share those NFTs on their social timeline. They can share to the chat. So NFTs will play a crucial part of the Excelli super app. We are relying on the world-class security being provided by the Saibao, where it is a Web3 infrastructure startup, which was acquired by Circle. So Saibao has a world-class ecosystem built into the platform, which will help with securing the assets across all the different blockchains that are being used, and those assets, the digital assets that either coins or tokens or NFTs, they can be seamlessly transacted between different entities, and they can be transferred to any third parties seamlessly. So blockchain is not a silver bullet. So the basic adoption comes from users have to think, the startups have to think how this blockchain can create or add value to their existing proposition. So blockchain, the users have to think like what is the problem that they can solve that they cannot solve using a traditional database, and how blockchain can solve. So that is the major premise for using blockchain should be trust and decentralization. So if that criteria fits their requirement, then they can go all out. And so obviously everything should start from a POC, and once their POC is built, validated, and it makes sense, then they can go full on implementation in it. So from the inception, we chosen a blockchain that is using a proof of stake mechanism. So which is a modern way of doing the consensus mechanism, which in itself is very energy efficient compared to the proof of work consensus mechanism. The first thing that you have to think is, so what is the real use case of blockchain? Whether how this blockchain can solve a problem that a database cannot solve. So analyze, and if if adding blockchain into your solution makes sense, then doing a POC and then validating it and then taking it into a larger adoption makes sense. So you can come up with a open mind and try to think, okay, what T-Hub can offer you and what you can learn from the fellow founders, and seeing the examples of the prior batches of T-Hub, and a chance to network with them, learn from the mentors, and contributing to the ecosystem itself will help them leverage a lot of experience that will be helpful for their future expansion.